Welcome back to the channel, Safemoon Millionaires and my fellow Safemoon army. One thing I'm seeing all over social media, whether it be YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, is that a lot of Safemoon hodlers are talking about how the wallet is going to cause the biggest price squeeze that we've seen in a while and send Safemoon to the moon. So in this video, what I want to discuss is, can that really happen? Is the wallet by itself simply a big enough catalyst to cause a major price increase, and what it means for Safemoon going forward? Because this is something I'm not seeing a lot of people talking about. So with that being said, from one Safemoon hodler to another, all I ask in return is that you subscribe so that this video can be pushed out to more people who need a better understanding about the truth about the wallet. And with that being said, I'll also be covering a quick technical analysis at the end, so stick around for that as well. And let's get right into it. Now, before we even talk about the price impact of the wallet, let's discuss what the point of the wallet even is, because there's some blurred lines in between what people are saying and what the truth really is. So the wallet is to obviously hold your Safemoon, simple as that. But another big part of that is to increase adoption and buying pressure within Safemoon. You see, right now to purchase Safemoon, it's such a lengthy process and it's honestly just a headache. First you have to buy BNB, convert to Smart Chain, go through PancakeSwap, purchase your Safemoon. There's so many fees in between, and it's such a a rigorous process that you lose a lot of money in the process, and it's just honestly a headache to purchase your Safemoon. But with the Safemoon wallet, it erases all those steps. First of all, your current Safemoon on other wallets, you can transfer it to the Safemoon wallet. That's the first aspect. You can simply just hold it on the Safemoon wallet, see real-time price, real-time charts, all of those cool features. But apart from that, for people who don't want to go through the whole BNB PancakeSwap process, simply through the Simplex integration, you can be able to convert your fiat currency directly into Safemoon. Now, it's not clear 100% if the Simplex integration will be in the wallet by the time of launch, but it's a work in progress, and eventually once it is implemented, the ease of use just dramatically increases and you can simply buy Safemoon wherever you are in the world. And another reason this is really good is because, as we're seeing, Binance is facing regulation all around the world. They're being investigated by the SEC, I believe. They were facing some backlash in the UK. So let's say eventually people are unable to buy Safemoon because they can't purchase BNB in the first place. Well, they can go directly, bypassing Binance, right to the wallet and purchase Safemoon and increase the overall volume and buy Safemoon themselves. So from that aspect, things are looking amazing, right? It looks like people are going to be able to buy Safemoon. It's going to dramatically increase volume. The wallet will 100% change the minds of so many Safemoon doubters. As we know, on other crypto subreddits, they hate Safemoon. But once the wallet is unveiled, it really adds legitimacy to Safemoon. So from that aspect, Safemoon may see a temporary volume spike or a temporary price spike, but the key word is temporary. I don't believe that this will happen just yet. Let me explain. You see, like I said, first of all, it's unknown if the Simplex integration is going to be integrated, meaning will it even be possible to, convert your fiat currency to Safemoon? So will you even be able to purchase it through the wallet when it first gets launched? That's a big question that we still don't know. Secondly, let's say the Simplex integration was in the wallet and we could purchase Safemoon through it. First of all, I think a lot of people wouldn't really be using it because most people who have purchased Safemoon have already purchased it. I think much of the transactions will be people simply transferring their Safemoon from their current wallet to the Safemoon wallet. And then people who haven't bought yet, well, they could have already been purchasing using the whole BNB situation, or even if they were waiting for the wallet. I don't think there's that many people just sitting around waiting for the wallet to finally buy Safemoon. So I think a lot of people are getting this wrong, that the wallet will be the contributor to the massive volume that we've been waiting for. Because two big things need to happen before Safemoon actually sees a big price spike. Because you have to understand, the wallet is only the first part of the Safemoon ecosystem, right? The whole point of the wallet, as I mentioned at the start of this video, is to hold your Safemoon, purchase Safemoon, right? But the biggest thing that's yet to be implemented is the exchange and the blockchain. And this is a differentiating factor from a regular cryptocurrency to a large, big currency like Binance. You have to understand, a blockchain and exchange, this is what brings real volume. As we can see with Binance, right? Even just looking at its price chart, we can see in 2017 when their exchange first launched, price was really low for BNB. Volume was really low, but as time went on, adoption increased, volume dramatically began spiking from about 5 million a day all the way up to the hundreds of millions and then 20-30 million. And now, just as of a few months ago, when this whole altcoin hype began, you can see how Binance's price and volume dramatically spiked to the upside. The simple reason being is that other tokens were built on top of Binance's blockchain. As a result, you needed to purchase BNB in order to then purchase those other tokens. So once Safemoon exchange and blockchain is launched, what that means is that the entire ecosystem is completed. Other tokens will start building on top of Safemoon's blockchain, and that means through the blockchain and the bridges you can purchase other tokens, but in order to do so you first have to purchase Safemoon, increasing the price itself. The exchange will house a ton of other cryptocurrencies to buy, and the entire wallet, that's when you'll see the entire use case actually be fulfilled, when you can purchase other cryptocurrencies and there's a real use for it through the exchange, through the blockchain, and all of that together. That's also when legitimacy is provided into the crypto community and Safemoon finally establishes itself as a real cryptocurrency with real use cases. So the final verdict, will the Safemoon wallet cause a major price increase? The answer is yes and no. I definitely expect maybe a short-term spike to the upside, a short-term hype play where we push up, but nothing that's going to contribute in the long term by itself, right? The Safemoon wallet is only one part, and this is something a lot of people are getting confused about. Now, before we jump into the technicals, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below to learn a ton of advanced technical analysis strategies to become more profitable, because technical analysis can really help take your trading to the next level, to help you a lot. So be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below. Alright, now taking just a quick look at the technicals, you can see we're still following this channel like I talked about. In the last few videos, we're right at the bottom of it and we're still holding it just barely. But as you can see, we've been forming multiple gravestone dojis, right? You can see gravestone doji here, gravestone doji here, and this shows extreme weakness. It basically shows that even though buyers pushed it back up, everyone just sold, and that's why we're dropping back down. And that's why these candles have very long wicks, and we're continuously turning the 9 EMA, which is the blue line, into resistance as well, showing that there's not enough buyer demand to again commit to the higher price level. So overall, my price target of about a 20% downside all the way down here to 156,399 still remains intact. I think we still head lower through this level, which was a previous level of resistance and previous level of support right over here. Because again, taking a look at Bitcoin, like I talked about yesterday, in fact yesterday I clearly said this, how right over here we broke out of this channel that Bitcoin had, and we were consolidating, and I told you guys clearly expect a drop lower and probably a 50% retracement down to 36,000, and that's exactly what happened. As you can see, Bitcoin ended up dropping even lower, and we can see how that downwards pressure also forced Safemoon to continue lower as well, just as I predicted. And so I'm anticipating Bitcoin to probably continue even lower down to this 50% retracement right here at 39,000, and then as a result then we see Safemoon bounce higher, but that also means that Safemoon will probably continue lower till this price target. And again, I still do not plan to be buying Safemoon until we can break out of this lower low lower high channel, and that'll probably be once we break this level here at 259658. So if you appreciated this short and value packed video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy down below if you want to learn technical analysis for yourself and a ton of advanced trading strategies. And I'll see you guys in the next one.